What's up guys, welcome to Beachy Bros, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to put a brand new D-loop on your bow. Whether you're replacing it or putting a brand new one on, I'm going to show you how to do it in this quick tutorial. So let's get started. So first things first, you will need some bowstring. You'll need some kind of knife, pliers, and lighter as well. You can find this pretty much anywhere. Cabela's, Bass Pro, Amazon, you name it, lots of places that sell this stuff. I'll leave a couple links in the description where you can buy this. So first things first, what we want to do is we want to kind of burn the end of the tip. Get it nice and melted down. Make sure you kind of make it a little mushroom shape and just try to burn it down. Make a nice little nub on the end here. It should look something along the line of that right there. So now we're going to go ahead and tie this thing on. So now we're going to go ahead and line it up. We're going to try to get it lined up as much as possible. We want to take the burnt end and we want to go under and then back over. And this needs to wrap around like so. This goes around there and this comes under as well like so. As you can see, we have two loops now. We want to go ahead and pull those together. We're starting to get the shape of a D loop now. And we just want to pull that really, really tight. And then you can move it on the string if you need to adjust it, because you probably need to line it up with your arrow or your rest or whatever. Now for the bottom side of the other knot on this side. So we want to go above like this and inside, just like so. And we want to make sure our D loop is decently tight, because it will get bigger when we pull our bow. So then we're going to go over top like that and come through right there, and that should give us a good knot. And this will just make so that way it won't come loose. It'll make our D loop pretty strong. So yeah, then we want to tighten that obviously, and just make sure that thing is nice and tight. Then cut off any excess. You won't be needing this. And then just go ahead and burn that down. Tighten it as you please. You do, however, though, want to make sure that you leave some space between your arrow. So leave about an 1/8 inch between your arrow knot, and your release should fit on there. Close. I got mine pretty close there. It requires probably a little bit of tuning, but other than that is how you put a D loop on a string.